this is Jordan from DIKAOU on Amazon.com. Right now, I'm so glad to introduce our 2018 newest products to you. This is a multifunctional product. Okay, let's introduce it. First, it is a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's press our Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speaker flashing. Okay, and it is also alarm clock 1, alarm clock 2, and third, it is also FM radio. Let's display FM radio. Okay. And this is our USB charger. This is can be as a antenna to increase the signal of FM radio. Okay, later I will introduce to you. And fourth, it can put a micro SD card to display music. You see micro SD card. You can see this looking. It can be as a mirror. Next, let's introduce the AUX line. It can connect the PC computer, and the music is very amazing. Let me show you.
Is this meant to be? You're asking me.
Okay, now let's have activity. The first 5 review all this video. We can send you 5 pieces our Bluetooth speaker for free.